in the county of Kisumu. Inspector General of Police Joseph Boinnet has also voted at Madaraka Primary School and later reiterated that those who want to vote should vote and those who do not want should keep off polling stations. He told the media that the country is largely peaceful except for a few areas.
That's his democratic right. Can also enjoy that right. To vote or not to vote is a right that is allowed by the Constitution. So anybody who wants to come up to go and vote, my assurance is go and vote.
There are reports that police have been using excessive force in trying to deal with those people who've come out to the streets to probably be against this voting. What is the situation? Because there are those reports that police are using excessive force.
No. We don't use excessive force. In every instance in which we respond to breakdown of law and order, our response has always been proportionate and measured.
There are also reports in some parts of the country like Siaya County where there is a group of youth actually reported to be harassing people who are going there to vote. I don't know what is the government doing about that.
As I said in the first instance, our responsibility is to ensure that those who want to go and vote are afforded sufficient security to go and vote. And those who do not want to vote are also allowed the space to enjoy that right not to vote. And that's why we are dealing with those individuals who want to stop us from going to vote.
I'm sure, Mr. IG, you've received information from your officers across the country. How would you term the situation as it is in terms of security and management of the exercise today? What are some of the main incidences that you've heard about, and how are you managing them?
I can go to specifics. I can say the situation in all counties is okay, except about 4 counties only, where you have difficulties.
Which are these counties?
But you are managing. The counties that I have in mind are a few some in Nyanza region, and parts of Nairobi, specifically in Kibra, and parts of Mathare. But you are managing.
And what are the reports you're getting from there?
That they are the gangs of youths who are attempting to stop others from going to vote. But we are managing. We are managing.
How are you managing it?
Managing it in accordance with the law.
Well, there are also reports in Migori County that there are alleged reports that there are some actually police officers, or rather people who are dressed in police officers, but they are not police officers. They are making sure that those ballot papers arrive at the station. Are you aware of the same?
No, anybody in police uniform is a police officer. We do not have people masquerading as police officers.